Do you want to outperform in this upcoming recession? Then here are 6 of the top quality super dividend stocks to own. You will find some of these amazing classic dividend stocks, if not all of them, in almost every dividend investor's portfolio. They pay good dividend and have long streak of growing and paying the dividend. Please note that some of them currently trade at a high PE ratio and may not be of value right now, so please do your own due diligence and find out the best time to buy in if you choose to. Disclaimer: these are all my opinions and not to be considered financial or investing advice. This video and all our videos are for entertainment purposes only. Number 6. Pfizer Incorporated, ticker symbol PFE. Founded in 1849 and headquartered in New York, New York. Pfizer is a multinational corporation that develops, manufactures, and markets several pharmaceutical products including drugs and vaccines. Pfizer has a current stock price of $47.95. Market cap of $267.81 billion. PE ratio of 7.37. Pfizer has a current yield of 3.44%. For investors, that's 41 cents per share a quarter or $1.64 per share a year. Pfizer has a payout ratio of 24.39%. Pfizer pays out in the months of March, June, September, and December. Pfizer has grown its dividend for 12 years. Number 5. Waste Management Incorporated. Ticker symbol WM. Founded in 1968 and headquartered in Houston, Texas. Like its name says, Waste Management provides waste management services, including collection, transportation, disposal, and recycling for residential and commercial customers. Waste Management has a current stock price of $154.19. Waste Management has a market cap of $62.67 billion at the time of this video. Current dividend yield of 1.7%. For investors, that's 65 cents per share a quarter or $2.60 per share a year. Payout ratio of 45.5%. Waste Management pays out in the months of January, March, June, and September of every year. Waste Management has grown their dividend for 19 years. Number 4. McDonald's Corporation. Ticker symbol MCD. Founded in 1955 and headquartered in Chicago, Illinois. McDonald's is an American multinational fast food chain. They are in the business of American famous fast food, but they are also considered a real estate company. This iconic brand is worldwide with 38,000 stores with similar menu and same taste. McDonald's has a current price of $268.87 at the time of this video. Market cap of $195.33 billion. PE ratio 26.80. Current yield of 2.28%. For investors, that's $1.52 a share per quarter or $6.08 per share a year. McDonald's has a payout ratio of 56.67%. McDonald's pays out in March, June, September, and December of every year. McDonald's has grown its dividend for 21 years. Number 3. Realty Income Corporation. Ticker symbol O. Realty Income is a REIT that needs no introduction. This is one of the most loved monthly dividend stocks among dividend investors. Founded in 1969 and headquartered in San Diego, California. Realty Income invests in freestanding, single-tenant commercial properties in the United States, Spain, and United Kingdom. As of the time of this video, Realty Income boasts a portfolio of over 11,400 commercial properties under long-term net lease agreements with over 1,100 different clients. Share price at the time of this video is $66.19. Realty Income has a market cap of $41.86 billion at the time of this video. Current dividend yield of 4.48%. For investors, that's 25 cents per share a month or $2.98 per share a year. Payout ratio of 273%. Keep in mind REITs are required by law to pay out up to 90% of their income to shareholders as dividend. Again, Realty Income's payouts every month of the year. Realty Income is a dividend aristocrat with 25 years of dividend growth. We noticed you still having liked, subscribed, or turned on the notification bell. Please kindly encourage us if you've gotten some value from this presentation. Your like and subscribe will help us know that you like content like this. Please join our community and be a part of our growth here on Wealth Listicles. Thank you. Now let's move on. Number 2. Walmart Incorporated. Ticker symbol WMT. Founded in 1962 and headquartered in Bentonville, Arkansas. Walmart is a multinational retail corporation that operates a chain of discount department stores and warehouses. They sell a wide variety of goods, including groceries and electronics. Think of it as a very large yet budget-friendly one-stop store. Walmart has a current stock price of $145.28. Market cap of $390.52 billion. P/E ratio of 23.86. Walmart has a current yield of 1.55%. For investors, that's 56 cents per share a quarter or $2.24 per share a year. Walmart has a payout ratio of 36.56%. Walmart pays out in the months of January, April, May, and September. Walmart has grown its dividend for 49 years. Number 1. PepsiCo Incorporated. Ticker symbol PEP. PepsiCo Incorporated is an American multinational food, snack, and beverage corporation headquartered in Harrison, New York. Their product portfolio includes several enjoyable food and beverages that generates more than $1 billion in annual sales. Some of their popular brands include Quarter Doritos, Tropicana, Quarter Oats, and many more. PepsiCo has a current stock price of $175.16. PepsiCo has a market cap of $245.03 billion at the time of this video. Current dividend yield of 2.62%. For investors, that's $1.15 per share a month or $4.60 per share a year. Payout ratio of 66.92%. PepsiCo pays out in the months of January, March, June, and September of every year. PepsiCo has grown their dividend for 50 years, which makes them the leading dividend king on this list. So which one of these quality dividend stocks do you proudly own or thinking of picking up? Please comment below and let us learn from you. Remember, all we do is bring you the lists for entertainment. It is your duty to do your own due diligence and/or consult an expert and invest your hard-earned money wisely. Please don't leave us without smashing the like button and give us a subscribe. Think of it as a tip for my hard work. I will greatly appreciate it. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. Disclaimer: please note that I showcased these stocks for educational purposes only and shouldn't be taken as investment advice. I don't personally own all these stocks, just some. Please do your own due diligence and/or consult your expert investment advisor, as more fundamental analysis may be needed before investing. Please also note that the past performance of these stocks does not guarantee or indicate similar future performance. And please excuse all errors and omissions.